Hello friends, I am Dr. Binjal Shah, obstetrician and gynecologist, Sarvamangal IVF Clinic, Satellite, Ahmedabad. Today I am going to give you certain information and knowledge regarding frequently asked questions during the pregnancy. Can I use hair colors? Yes, you can hair colors, but you have to avoid using it initial 3 months of the pregnancy because the chemical composition of the hair colors can harm your baby. Wax is advisable during pregnancy. You can wax throughout the pregnancy, but in initial 3 months of the pregnancy, because of its painful procedure and chemical composition of the wax can harm your baby. So you have to avoid wax during initial 3 months of the pregnancy. Another concern regarding sexual relation during pregnancy. Ideally, you have to avoid relations initial 3 months and last month of the pregnancy. But in certain conditions like placenta previa, in which placenta implanted lower in the uterus, low-lying baby and certain bleeding issue, you are advised not to do intercourse throughout the pregnancy. Another frequently asked question is, which lying down position is better for the baby? You can lie down right lateral and left lateral, but after 6 months of the pregnancy, left lateral position is better because it supplies more oxygen to the baby. Stretch mark during pregnancy is another concern to the pregnant woman. Stretch mark occurs after 4 months of the pregnancy because of the growth of the baby. You can reduce stretch mark, but not it is completely preventable. You can minimize the stretch mark by hydrating your skin with certain moisturizers, aloe vera gel, Vaseline, or you have to use a certain stretch removal cream to minimize the stretch mark. Hair care during pregnancy. For better hair, you have to wash your hair minimum twice a week. You have to use good quality of hair oil. You can hair massage also, and you have to take certain vitamins like vitamin E and biotin for the prevention of the hair fall. Leg cramps during pregnancy is also another common problem. For that, you have to for leg cramps, you have to use a pillow under your calf muscle. Your hemoglobin level should be above 12, and you are advised to take certain vitamins like B12, folic acid and magnesium at the bedtime. Constipation during pregnancy. For constipation, you are advised to take more liquids and juices during the daytime. You have to take warm water at bedtime, 2-3 glasses of warm water with lemon in the morning to reduce the constipation. Use more fibers in your diet to minimize the constipation. And above all, you have to take certain medicine if it is not cured by simple remedies. Hope this information is very helpful to you. For further information, you can contact us, or you can go to our website www.sarvamangalivf.com, and you can also visit our YouTube channel Sarvamangal IVF. Thank you.